Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can allow access to music library on Windows 11. So if you want to give or not give permission that app can access your music library, you can try to turn off, you can try to configure the settings by go to the Windows Start icon and go to the settings. And here you can click on privacy and security, and under application permission you can search for music library. Click it. So by default the setting will turn it on. Allow access to music libraries on this device. If you allow access, people using this device will be able to choose if their apps have access to their music library by using the settings on this page. And here, allow apps to access your music library also is on. If you allow access, you can choose which apps can access your music library. But if you turn this off, you cannot use any music. You cannot play any music on your device. So feel free to try, give permission or not on a music file type play into your system, or the apps give apps permission to access your music library or not give it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.